Good evening. Myself Nabendu Bhattacharjee. I am the regional head for LG Electronics. I am happy to announce that today we are here to pick up the lucky draw for one of the winner who has been awarded 1 lakh rupees, which is to be given by PCH. So this is an internal promotion which PCH is running in collaboration with Sakshi, where their PCH is the main sponsor who is doing who is actually giving this 1 lakh rupees. Every day from 15th to 30th, every day there will be one draw. Today I have done the draw for one customer. Similarly, every day it's happening. Apart from this 1 lakh rupees, there are also other lucky draws, like every day another 4 prizes are there, like microwave oven, mobile phone, some silver jewelry set, something that sort of. This is to promote all the brands and to promote PCH also during this time. This will go on till 30th of September. So customers can buy and get the privilege of winning 1 lakh rupees. Lot of opportunities are still left. Wish all the best to PCH for their internal event. This offer is really great, and since every day 1 lakh rupees have been offered, so the opportunity for the customers is also very big, and it is applicable on all products. So anybody buying a very small product, he also get an opportunity to win such a big draw. So I think this is a great opportunity for the customers, and I would request all the customers to come and grab the opportunity, because anybody can be a winner for the same. LG AP, we already have big plans to promote our product like 3D LCD and all, which we are already promoting, but our festive campaign will start breaking in from 28th of this month. We are targeting majorly Dussehra for the upcountry markets and Diwali. Apart from that, a lot of new products we have already given, and some new products we have recently launched, which we have just given in the market, like charcoal heating, like microwave oven, products like 6 motion wash, like the kind of hand wash we normally do, that is in washing machine. These are all the new technology and new products we are giving it for upcoming Dussehra and Diwali, and I think this will definitely appeal a lot of consumers, and they will be happy with the new products during Dussehra. Mobile I don't take care, so I don't be able to say much, but mobile we have recently launched one model which is doing which is a smartphone, which category where like everyone is interested. That's Optimus Black, which is doing very well. Recently we have given, the response is very good. One of our distributor, he has sold off whatever he has got, and he has given us further order. So we are expecting that to be a great hit during this festive season. Thank you.